Today is April 24th, 2023, and I think I actually get my car back today because I got a call on Friday that it was ready, but we were already doing something, so I didn't stop what I was doing to run to Porsche to go pick it up. So I guess I'll go get it today. Now, we were gonna get it later today because we had a boat scheduled. We were gonna take out this Zodiac, which we haven't taken out a Zodiac before. So that was gonna be a lot of fun, but they have a small craft advisory, wind speed, 20 to 25 knots, 3-foot waves. Needless to say, we're not taking that Zodiac out today. So we're just gonna head straight to Porsche. All right, little change of scenery here. We didn't quite make it to Porsche yesterday to pick up my Macan. So today is the day. Hopefully it's ready. I haven't heard from them. They haven't even asked me if I'm coming by to get my car since Friday. It's odd. So instead of going to get the Porsche yesterday, we ended up just going to the beach. We were actually going to take a boat out, and it was too windy, as you guys are already aware. And then we decided, let's just hang out at the beach. So we grabbed some wings, some sandwiches, some cold beverages, and just hung out on the beach. It was windy. It was cloudy. It's a little chilly.
It's so cold. In the beginning, it was so cold.
But it was still a lot of fun. And so that just completely threw the schedule off for getting the MACAN GTS, because then, or you had a live stream at 5.
I had a live stream at 5.
You had a live stream at 5, and I ended up going to shoot pool. So it just didn't happen. So we're gonna go get it today. We got a little bit of a sketchy moment right here. Homeboy trying to transport these mattresses with a damn rubber band. Holding them down. That one on top is about to like fold over and fly away. It's like a sail. Side note, if anybody wants a free mattress, you might find one on the road here in a minute. Let's see if I'm parked out here anywhere. Got an Aston. Got a new Macan. Got this TRX. Panamera. Oh wait, there's my car.
Ta-da! Oh, I like the old school.
Yeah. Oh no, I thought you were talking about this 992.
No, that one also, but weirdly I like the old school. It's not bad.
I wonder how they arrange this parking situation here. But there she is. Supposedly all done, fixed. AC works, steering wheel works, new brakes, dirty as hell. All right, folks, here we go. We got the car back, got this paperwork here with this ridiculous total on it. We'll talk about that later. She is all ready to go, and we got, I'll go ahead and get this thing started so we can get this AC rolling because it is crispy in here. Let's see what we got going on the dash here. Nothing crazy. Yeah, so ultimately what ended up happening is they replaced the steering column completely to repair the tilt that wasn't working. Long story, you guys are not going to want to miss this one. Potentially going to save you or cost you a ton of money that I want to share with you about what happened, how it was covered under warranty, and how you could get yours covered under warranty too, even if you're not CPO or still under new car warranty. Additionally, they had to replace the AC line. It was leaking. This required a subframe drop. Labor intensive, folks. Needless to say, between those two repairs, it has far made up for the cost of a CPO markup when buying CPO pre-owned from Porsche. Last but not least, new brakes. The brakes are hella expensive, but new pads and new rotors. We're going to give you a full breakdown of everything, paperwork, pricing, costs, etc. What Porsche paid, what I paid, and also driving experiences, especially now, cars coming back. We're gonna get this thing super clean. We got Cars and Coffee on Saturday. We got Exotic Car Show on Saturday night. And also we need to get the Cobb access port hooked up, plugged in, and turn the boost up a little bit.